Yeah, it's that Biden inside circle that tried to circle the wagons and say nothing to see here, and clearly the debate was an absolute debacle. Yeah, they did. All right, Lauren, thank you very much. I want to get back to the markets if we can. We've been kind of vacillating in the S&P and the NASDAQ on the higher and lower end of things, but now we see the Dow still up 180 points or thereabouts as we keep an eye on the Supreme Court. As soon as the decisions come down, we will be on it. Meantime, Michael Lee joins me now. All right, Mike, what impact, if any, could the immunity decision have on the markets, or is there no impact?
Well, look, I think the consensus is that none of these trials against President Trump will eventually go anywhere. I believe, he is the odds-on favorite to be the next president of the United States, and that is what's priced in. So if we get a ruling that is otherwise, that says he is not immune and that you can go after presidents for whatever, wherever, then that may roil the markets and kind of send us into a tizzy based on what Lauren was just talking about. We all saw, Joe Biden last Thursday night. There is not a lot going on there. So that, to me, if it doesn't go the way that's expected, I believe we could be in for some moments of disarray, because then we have no idea who will be the next president.
As for the markets, you remain bullish. You say, look, new highs typically mean one thing: more new highs, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And when you're up this much in the first half of the year, we've never had a down year from this. You're up on average about 8% for the rest of the year. 84, 85% of the time, you're up from here into the close of the year, like I said, on average 8% of the time. So I think that's because of the things that I've been saying. We're likely to get an accommodative Fed. We have an expanding economy, albeit not gangbusters, but expanding, and then earnings that look pretty spectacular, especially versus expectations. So when all those three things combine, markets tend to take off, and then you've got this entire AI tech spending trend that's right in front of us, the largest investment in technology in the history of the world. So there's a lot of good things in front of us. And if you look at a chart of the markets right now and think about it against this backdrop, we look identical to 1995. And if you think about this AI behind us and a potential, pro-business Trump administration in front of us, we could very easily get another 3 to 4 years of a blow off the top market.
Fantastic. I feel good. Michael Lee, thank you so much, Mike. Very positive indeed.